Today I'll share with you how you can create a new activity with the icons so students are better able to follow the instructions that are provided. So I will go to create new activity and I'm going to type this in as sample. So let's say I want students to take a photo. So I'm going to type in a colon and the word photo, another colon. Take a photo of your experiment. And then I will want them to label their experiment. So where I'm getting this language to make these into an icon is here. Use these shortcuts in the student instruction portion of activities. So there's all these different icons that you can use in your instructions for students. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to put label. I need that other colon. So label your photo. So here you see that it's just text. When I go to save, and I open this, you will see now in place of that word photo in those colons, you'll see that camera and you will see that T for the picture. If you have any questions, please reach out.